What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the 636 for our weekly moto vlog. We're gonna find a place to eat and we're gonna enjoy the ride. While we do it, let's go. You know, the only thing I can think of now after riding this is that everybody was right. The R7 is slow. This thing is a monster, man. That 50 horsepower difference is absolutely wild. Before I go rip this down the highway, I just want you to remember that you're doing great and you should be proud of yourself. Have a great day. Sheesh. And there's a food place around the corner somewhere down here in the boondocks that I was a patron of a while ago, and I haven't been there since. And the food was fantastic, but they have weird hours, so I'm gonna go see if they're open for lunch. Here with this flag? No, it's after this. It is on the, I'm in the right area though. It's definitely up here on the left. Let's see. Are they open? I see a truck. Monday, Thursday, Friday. Please don't hit me from behind here, please. Please. Thank you. Alright, we're just gonna sneak in here. Where they open? It says open. Let's go. For the Peeple Company, the best forking food around. Okay? This is a treasure. I'm gonna say that right now. This place is as homegrown as it gets. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. They're closed on weekends, which is wild. It's wild that they're closed on weekends. All right, that was the Peeple Company, the best forking food around. And I had wings and I had a lemonade. And I'm gonna tell you right here, this place is extremely underrated. The food is fantastic. Everybody's super nice in there. You know, you could kind of call it, I guess, a hole in the wall because it's like where it is. But I'm gonna tell you, it's getting a 4.5 out of 5 for me. If the food, the people, literally the Peeple Company, it's as close as you can get to eating in like your friend's kitchen, you know, just like going and hanging out. I highly recommend, if you're up in this direction, just stopping here Monday through Friday. Like I said, the hours are kind of weird, but it is worth coming here during the week. Yeah, highly recommend, man. You know, I love finding these places that are just kind of random, but 4.5 for the Peeple Company. It was awesome. That's gonna do it for another weekly vlog of mine. And again, 4 out of 5 for the Peeple Company. It's worth a stop. check it out if you're ever up in this area. I'm really enjoying finding these new places to eat, trying out different things on the menu, and just enjoying some time on the bike and riding. So I appreciate you hanging out. If you're new around here and you like this kind of content, make sure you hit subscribe, click the bell, do the things that help me out, and make sure you tell me about it in the comments below. Until next time, be safe, enjoy your week.